So now I am going to revise bank reconciliation statement. You know that bank reconciliation statement is a statement prepared by the businessman or accountant of the business for making agree the cash book balance and passbook balance. So it is prepared by the accountant, okay, of a business for making agree the cash book balance and passbook balance. So we know that cash book it is prepared by the cash book balance is prepared by the businessman and passbook is prepared by the bank. If there is any difference in the cash book balance and passbook balance, then we will prepare bank reconciliation statement. Okay, so we'll start bank reconciliation statement. Bank reconciliation statement. Particulars, plus item, minus item. Bank reconciliation statement. First question you look at bank balance as per passbook. So here starting point is passbook. So you have to look from the following details, find out the bank balance as per cash book as on 30th June 2019. So we are preparing the bank reconciliation statement as on 30. Bank reconciliation statement as on 30th June 2019. Bank reconciliation statement. So starting it is given bank balance as per passbook. So first we'll write bank balance as per passbook. Bank balance as per passbook. If it is overdraft, minus item, otherwise plus item. Okay, it is a favorable balance, so it will come plus item 14,000. Okay, now next one, two check of rupees 8,900. So date it is very important. Two check of rupees 8,900 and 10,700 were issued on 25 June, out of which only one check 8,900 were presented for payment before 30th June. So before 30th June, we presented first one 8,900 check. So two check 8,900 and 10,700 issued. Out of that, before 30th June, we presented 8,900. So here we are writing not presented. Okay, so 10,700. So we'll write check issued but not yet presented for payment. Presented for payment. So check issued. So here passbook is the starting point. Plus or minus, Anila, check issued. Plus or minus. Anila. I can't hear anything. Aditya, plus or minus? Minus. Because check issued, cash book decrease. Passbook increase. If passbook increase means to get cash book balance, you have to minus. Next one. Check of rupees 16,400. Check of rupees 16,400 were deposited, but only one check of rupees 6,000 out of that, only one check of rupees 6,300, 400 was cleared by the bank before on 28th June. So before 28th, 30th June, which one bank cleared, bank collected, bank credited only 6,400. So not collected, credited by the bank, how much? 10,000. Okay, any doubts? Out of 16,000 for we deposited means check deposited but not cleared, but not collected, credited, but not cleared by the bank. Check deposited. Aparna, plus or minus?
Sir, plus.
Yes, 10,000. Next one, cash withdrawn from bank. So we didn't study, but you have to look, you will understand. Cash withdrawn from bank for personal use. Personal use. For personal use was not recorded in the cash book. Was not recorded in the cash book. Cash withdrawn from bank for personal use was not recorded in the cash book. So, cash withdrawn from the bank for personal use. So, we know that not recorded in the cash book. So, was recorded in the passbook. So, not recorded in the cash book. So, we know that cash withdrawn from the bank. So, our passbook will, so our passbook, whether it will increase or decrease, Karthik?
Decrease.
Yes, decrease. Okay, decrease only. So we are looking only passbook. So passbook will decrease.
Plus.
So yes, plus 5,500. So if we are looking 10,000 cash book, passbook 10,000. If it is withdrawn 5,500. So 4,500, here 10,000. Comparison. Cash book increase, passbook decrease, if we are comparing. Next one. Incidental charges debited to Anurag's account is not recorded in the cash book. Okay. Incidental charges debited in the passbook. In the passbook. Tomling, plus or minus? Tomlin, plus or minus? Debited in the passbook. Passbook increase or decrease?
Sir, plus.
Yes, very good. So passbook decrease, so plus. Next one. There was a debit in the passbook rupees 7,500 in respect of check dishonored. So check dishonored. check dishonored. Anila, plus or minus? Anjo, plus or minus? Anjo Sibi. Hanna, plus or minus? No one is responding. So plus, check dishonored, passbook decrease. Next one. Last one, interest credited in the passbook only. So not in the cash book. Interest credited in the passbook. Interest credited in the passbook. Atul, interest credited in the passbook. Plus or minus? Aparna, plus or minus?
Sir, minus.
Yes. Now you have to calculate balance. Then you find balance as per cash book. So which side is more? Plus item is more, no? Total. Plus item total.
30,600.
30,600. Balance
21,275.
70.
75.
21,275. Then over. Next one. Next question. Cash book of Kunal showed an overdraft of rupees 36,280 overdraft balance on 31st July 2019 on comparing cash book and passbook. Here means cash book balance is given. Okay. Overdraft balance as per cash book. So here now you have to look only cash book. So overdraft balance as per cash book. Overdraft balance as per cash book. $36,280 minus item because overdraft. So one thing you have to remember, credited in the passbook, credited in the bank book means passbook increase. Okay. So we'll continue. Overdraft balance as per cash book. So next, first one, an amount of rupees 18,700 was directly paid into bank for our customer. Means direct payment, direct deposit by a customer into the bank account. Means our customer, without informing us, they directly deposit amount into the bank. So here cash book is the starting point. So Aditya, plus or minus direct deposit.
Yes.
Plus, because direct deposit by a customer into bank, our bank account will increase, passbook will increase, cash book decrease. Cash book decrease means plus. Next one, check of rupees 18,900 deposited to bank, deposited in the bank, was collected and credited by the bank, but was not entered in the cash book. Rupees 19,800. Check deposit bank was collected and credited by the bank, but was entered in the cash book as 19,800. Point you look at correct check deposited. Correct check deposited. How much amount? 18,900. 18,900. Check deposited 18,900. But credited by the bank, credit also, but was entered in the cash book as 19,800. Clear? Entered in the cash book as 19,800, but deposit how much only? 18,900. So you look here, cash book increase or decrease? Aparna, cash book increase or decrease? Increase. Look, 10,000 plus, if you are depositing, amount will increase. 19,800, there 18,900 only. If you are comparing cash book and passbook, cash book will increase. So minus. Clear? Check of rupees 18,900 deposited in the bank. entered in the cash book as 19,800. Next, so a difference amount only, you are right. So 900. So 900. So cash book increase. So minus no? Cash book increase. So next one. Check issued for salary to staff. Check issued to salary to staff 25,000. We issued, check issued. So we know that cash book decrease was presented for payment only on 4th August. So already I said date it is very important. So when we are preparing bank reconciliation statement, 31st July. When only they presented? Next month only. This time we didn't present. Whenever we are preparing bank reconciliation statement, we didn't present that check. So check issued but not yet presented for payment. So passbook cash. So increase or decrease? Plus or minus? Hanna? Plus 25,000. Cash book decrease, so plus. Next one, cash withdrawn from ATM for office use was not recorded in the cash book. Cash withdrawn from ATM. Cash withdrawn from ATM. Not entered in the cash book. Cash book. So we know that if you withdraw amount from ATM, so our passbook plus or minus, Karthik?
Minus.
Yes, minus. ATM, our bank account will decrease. Passbook will decrease, cash book increase. Cash book increase means minus. Next, debit side of cash book was overcast. Debit side of cash book overcast. Rupees 100. Anyone? Plus or minus? Anila, I can't hear. Aparna, plus or minus? Look, now you have a view of cash book. Receipts, amount, payment amount. If receipt side is more, overcast, so cash book effect. So plus or minus?
So minus.
Yes, minus. Okay. Debit side of cash book overcast means cash book increase. So minus. Okay. So that you have to remember. Next one. As per standing instruction, bank paid our office rent. Office rent paid by bank, not entered in the cash book. That is the meaning. Office rent paid by the bank. Plus or minus, Anat? Plus or minus, Annette?
Minus.
Yes, minus. Okay. Paid by the bank. So bank passbook decrease, cash book increase. Cash book increase means minus. Next one. Last, commission collected by the bank on behalf of us was not recorded in the cash book. Commission collected by the bank. Collected and credited by the bank. Collected by the bank. Our commission, bank collected. Aditya, plus or minus?
Plus.
Yes, plus. So our passbook will increase, cash book decrease. So now you have to so you have to look which one. 36,250. Okay, so overdraft balance only. If debit side is more, we can write a favorable balance. If credit side is more, means overdraft balance as per passbook. Minus item total. Karthik, total minus item
76780.
76. Okay, 36,280. 56. Okay. 76,780. Balance. Balance. Which side is less, there you have to write balance. Balance.
29,330.
Yes. 29,330. Which side is less, there you have to write it. Okay. I wrote in the plus item because there only balance is less. Okay. So